Hi, my name is Dimitri Haney, and I'm the founder and CEO of Aequilibria Premium Rentals. We're a hospitality company located in San Antonio, Texas, offering sophisticated accommodations for business and leisure travelers. One of our first properties, called the Ivy, is a 2,800 square foot loft with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and sweeping 22-foot ceilings. It features a beautiful courtyard entrance, and we loved how much natural light the space offered us. We needed to provide our guests with the same level of privacy and comfort of a traditional home, but we wanted to do this in a way that didn't compromise the natural light. That's why when we learned about Smart Glass Country's Smart Film, we knew we had to have this at the Ivy. It's by far one of the most unique features inside of our loft, and we love that our guests can experience instant privacy with just the touch of a button. Seeing this product in action makes me feel like we have a little bit of an edge over our competitors, and we've received extremely positive feedback from our guests so far. The staff at Smart Glass Country were incredibly helpful. From educating us about our products to providing updates about our shipment, we knew we were making the right choice in partnering with them. We're so excited to be integrating this cutting-edge technology into our rental homes, and Smart Glass Country has helped us turn the ordinary into extraordinary.